In this video, I'll show you how to easily set a contact picture and contact poster on an iPhone. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the phone app, then tap on Contacts. Once you are there, select the contact for whom you want to change the profile picture. I'll use this contact as an example. Next, tap on Edit. Just below the gray default profile picture, tap the bottom to change it. On the next screen, you can set a poster for this contact. You can take a new picture with your camera, upload one from your camera roll, or select a memoji or a memogram. For this example, I choose a photo from my camera roll. This will open up your photo library, where you can select from future photos, live photos, or other categories. I'll choose this one. After selecting the picture, you can resize and position it as needed. You can also apply filters by swiping left or right to see the different options. For some filters, you can change the background color, adjust the picture manually. To apply the changes, tap Done. This will set the poster for the contact. Next, we can set the profile picture. Tap Continue. Now tap Crop to adjust the picture. Resize it as necessary, then hit Choose. You can also apply filters to the profile picture. To save the changes, tap Done and then Skip. If you don't want to use the same photo of both the contact picture and the poster, you can select a different photo by tapping the bottom and configuring it in the same way. As you can see, I've necessarily set both the contact poster and the contact picture to finally stop Done. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.